welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this very cute, glowy, natural makeup look that has freckles and just this nice pretty peachy matte pink lip. This is a perfect makeup look for every single day. I absolutely love this type of makeup with the Igari type of style blush, where the blush is like all over your nose and everything. I just think that it's so cute. But before we get into the tutorial, I want to talk about this amazing wig right here. And this wig right here is from the wig company called Donalove hair. It's either pronounced Donna or Donna. I know if I don't pronounce it right, people get offended by that. I don't know why. But anyways, this is the wig that made its beautiful showcase in my Aurora tutorial, my Sleeping Beauty makeup tutorial. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. This wig really made that video, and I wanted to use it again, and I wanted to talk about it and tell you guys about it. So it came in this box right here. I love their boxes, and it says enjoy right over here in the back. Very cute. It was packaged really nice and neat in here, and it came in this baggie. Also, what came inside was a wig cap, which is very essential, and also a comb. I love that Donalove hair always provides you with a comb. They're one of my favorite wig companies ever. They just have so many wigs to choose from on their site, and I absolutely fell in love with this one right here. It's a strawberry blonde color, very beautiful. It's not too long, and it's the perfect thickness. It's a lace front wig, so it looks very natural. I'm a natural, well, I'm not a natural redhead, but I am a redhead, so just the way that it's seamlessly blending in right over here where the hairline is amazing. I don't even have wig glue in, and it looks phenomenal. I was so happy with it because it went perfect with my Aurora tutorial, and it's just going to be a really fun wig to work with in the future. I'm just going to go over a few details on the style of this wig and whatnot. So on Donalove website, I will be having it on the screen right here. You will be seeing that they have a lot of wigs, and this one right here is their strawberry blonde waist length wavy synthetic lace wig, and it runs from $109, but I will be providing you guys a coupon code, so it won't be that exact price. But this wig is very beautiful. It is 24 inches long, of obviously strawberry blonde hair color, 150% heavy, has natural hairline, and the light brown lace color. I usually like to test out my wigs by stepping out and seeing what my family thinks, and I stepped out in this one and they loved it. They thought it was so beautiful. This one is definitely one of my favorite out of my collection. As you see how it's blending seamlessly where the hairline is. I didn't have too much problems. I have a very petite head, and it's not too big on my head. Very minimal synthetic shine. I just love the color. I've always wanted to be a strawberry blonde before in my life, and just with the way it's parted, you can flip it on either side, so you can do it this way, this way, which I prefer, and that's how I had it in the beginning of the video. So you can pull it up. I definitely like the way this looks pulled up. It has a very type of old style vintage look to it, and I absolutely love that. See, as you can see right here, it doesn't even look like a wig. Yeah, for this particular look right here, I kind of wanted that prairie Southern Belle type of girl look, and that's what I was going for with the puffy sleeves and the nice natural makeup. But anyways, I love this wig. I will link it down below just in case you're interested. But without further ado, let's get started on the makeup.
So like I said in the beginning of the video, this is going to be a light and natural look. So I'm just taking this BB cream right here. My skin is exfoliated, hydrated, and well rested. So it's looking nice and bright today. So I just wanted to do something very natural whenever I'm having a good skin day. I don't like to cover it up because I don't have those very often. As good as the complexion may look, it's not always even like this. I have redness, dark circles, and minor breakouts occasionally. But when I have a good day like this, I want to make sure that it's coming through as natural as possible. Now I'm just taking a little bit of this Master Concealer right here and just brightening up. And with a Fenty Beauty powder, I'm going to just mattify the areas that get oily, but I don't want to get rid of the natural dewiness on my skin. Now, since my hair is blonde, I'm going to just lighten my eyebrows a bit. I didn't really do my eyebrows very good. I just wanted to fill them in so they're blonde, but I didn't shape them in any kind of way. I just wanted to make them appear blonde. I don't really know. Then I'm taking this nice corally blush right here and place this all over my cheeks and on my nose. Like I said, I'm going for that Igari type of blush look. I love that look. I wear this all the time. And I just think that it makes your face look really nice, natural, and blushing. I do this for a lot of my Disney tutorials, and I always end up loving the makeup. So once you're done with blush, I'm going to move on to the freckles. I like to use a liquid lipstick for freckles because if you do plan on wearing this out, it'll last all day. And I want to place this all over my cheeks, the areas where the blush is, and on my nose. I love that look. It's really cute. Then my favorite palette ever, I'm taking the Sweet Peach palette with this reddish copper eyeshadow. I'm going to place this all over the lid. This is pretty much going to be the only eyeshadow we're using for the darker color. And like I said, I just wanted to keep this nice, natural, and simple. This is going to be very easy to follow. So I'm spreading it with my fingers, but since these eyeshadows are so matte, I found that was a little difficult to do, so I ended up using a brush and just kind of fixing that out and also blowing it out as well because you're going to need to smoke that eyeshadow. So as you can tell, I'm smoking it out now. This is going to make it look more blended and natural. And I like to do this on a daily basis whenever I feel like playing with my makeup. Usually lately, I haven't been wearing makeup to school or to work, so I like to do this occasionally. Now for this eyeshadow right here, it's just a shiny white eyeshadow. I'm placing this in the inner corners for a brightening effect. And I'm going to be blending in that brown eyeshadow again because I felt like we lost that color contrast. So just make sure you do that. And then also taking this Master Precise liner, I'm just going to line the last thirds of my eyes, the outer thirds. That's it. You don't even want to connect it to your inner corner. This is way more natural and easy for you if you don't know how to do a winged liner. I do this all the time when I'm lazy or when I want a more natural look. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and take the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. This is a good lengthening mascara and it makes my eyelashes look long without any clumping. Also going to be placing that on my lower lashes as well. And the eyes are done. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking a little bit of highlighter. You can use any highlighter, and I wanted to brighten up my skin, make it look very dewy. Now I'm going to end with lips. I'm just taking this matte lipstick from Clinique, and I love the peachy look of it. And just pat it out with your finger, and that's it. The look is done. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!